All right, Tom, we're here at Heritage Landing. This is building 7. So coming around the side of the building on the right here, you've got the guest parking. That's all right there. You've got the parking directly out front as well, where you'll have your carports. But then here's the back of the building here, and you can see that there's quite a bit of space between the rear of the building and the preserve in the back. And then there is this lake area here as well. So you've got quite a bit of space between the building and the preserve.